amigos and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Archana and today I'll be showing you my art supplies. Before we start the video, I want to tell you guys that you don't have to spend so much money on your art supplies. Instead, just look around you, you'll find many plastic bottles, cardboard boxes and so on. Instead of throwing those away, you can start collecting them because even a bunch of trash has the potential to be turned into something beautiful. It's all about how you see the world, like how an artist finds art and everything. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So now it's time I show you my art supplies. Let's see it one by one. So this is the box where I keep a few supplies. Now we're gonna open it. Ta-da! Here we have a box filled with tapes, color tapes, transparent tapes and double-sided tapes. In the next box we also have a lot of rubber bands in various sizes, small, big, etc. Then we have the most basic thing essential, which is glue. Then a thermocol cutter, which helps us to cut through paper and cardboard easily, and also a pair of scissors. We also have hot glue gun and a few glue sticks. Then we have Dom's color pencils. I rated about a 10 out of 10. Here we have color pens and also glitter pens. Most of them are dead. Now, my oil pastel collection. I don't really use them much, but I happen to get them in a drawing competition. We have almost every shade in here, and also a free scraping tool. And here comes the watercolors. I prefer it in tubes since it's easier to mix. We also got paint brushes, thin and thick. Also a free palette. Then there's my alphabet sticker collection. We also got feathers. I rarely use them, but I'll try to make a video of it soon. So stay tuned. This would be something which we all have in our houses. Newspapers are definitely something good to craft on. Here we have a few pages of my old book, Alice in Wonderland. They come really handy sometimes. One of my favorite materials would be craft paper. It is available in various colors. Then we have metallic paper, and it is something which I have never used, but hopefully soon. My mostly used craft material will be glitter foam sheet. One could create so much with these colorful sheets. Another important material would be chart, but I ran out of all the colors except for yellow. So yellow it is. Now let's keep these supplies back in the box and see the others. Now take a look at my Faber-Castell sketch box. It has almost all the shades, and I also got a passport and a few stamps. I just love the cute box. Here I've got ribbons, green ribbons to be specific. Also cotton and a white net. Gift wrappers too. Here we have Dawn's watercolor pens, about 12 shades, and they're all similar to sketches. Also glitter pens and color pens. Acrylic paint in 6 colors: black, white, yellow, green, blue, and red. We have markers in various colors as well. Now let me introduce you to my Faber-Castell art kit. It has all the essentials: a few oil pastels, a light and dark shade of sketches, and also paint along with a brush, all in one kit. When I said recycle, I meant this: plastic bottles, Pepsi cups, toothpaste covers, fruit nets, covers, and so on. They can be made into something beautiful. Thread is also an important material, and here we have brown, red, and green. Also this box. They have sequences for decorating and also stuff like buttons and others. Next comes the most basic things like scale, pens, whiteners, compass, erasers, sharpeners, and pencils. There we have covered all the art supplies